Welcome to my paradise.
Wow! Babe, is this your house?
This is my house.
The dream life I am always craving for. Oh my God.
And it is happening right in front of you.
Babe. Oh my God.
Come on, this is even small.
Babe, are you sure?
When you get to inside,
oh my God,
you will die. Check around. If you want to swim, I can feel this.
Babe, I want to swim. I want to swim.
I can see that. Baby, you know what? All I want from you,
I love you.
I love you too. All I want from you too, just make me happy, and I will make you happy.
I will.
I will make you feel the life you ever wanted to live.
I will, babe.
Trust me.
I promise. Babe, I promise. Oh my God.
I can see you love it.
Babe. Babe, are you sure you're not going to leave?
Come on, babe.
Babe.
I swear.
Babe.
I give you all of me. And baby, you know what?
Babe.
I can't wait for us to get married.
Babe.
Okay?
Okay, baby, you let's go inside.
Inside too, yeah? Yeah, see you.
Oh.
Alright. You know, you are the best thing I have ever seen. Yeah, the culture said, Baba Malcolm, and I can confidently say, I am the real man in this world. As of now.
I'm blushing.
Yeah, but you have to blush more because you know what? you have turned my life around and you have made me feel so good anytime, any day. Okay. That is why I love you so much, yeah? Maybe I see you now, I want to meet him.
Yes, singing now, only me. That's what I'm calling a media. Hey, man, toast woman. Let me say, send me this take a baby and make some money. Send out the baby damage, craig chain here. Many now.
That is why they say every good thing has a price.
Yeah.
You understand? Yeah. You can't get anything at a silver platter.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, you need to fight for what you want. Yeah, that is it.
I know them, you okay.
Oh, yeah, you can say that again.
Oh, yeah. Oh, my baby has a sound.
Plastina!
Hey.
Now. Hi. Do you know him?
No, I don't know him.
You don't know him?
No.
Is there anything I can help you?
No, alright.
Okay, alright. Sorry.
Okay.
Do you know him anyway?
No, I don't know anybody apart from my family, yeah?
What's that young woody? Ade, Bedidia. Bessie, Copani, Coffee on my junction or so. Blessina, when the boy be in a honum. Name call Blessina when female. None. Hey, any pound, Blessina. Nube, Member of Blessina, Donya Mecans running, said Danny, call me and Yagani, Yaka, Totica, Dochi, Ah, Johnson. You could go to with John Cabiato, I won't see it. So I've swallowed you any so. Why? Just, but if you're nobody ever has Miss Room, this is what I said there. Master, that's me. Who could damn it? I also go to be here, opinion with dancing so. Ah, bless you. That's your man as well. Then I need some sweet Jimmy Henny. Very much. Who from Mama Abba? That's it. I can't deal with it. It's not for it. Oh, my uncle. Station. You get away from what I'm betrayed. Na come to you. And yes, she. What's the meaning of my name? Yes, she. Do you have water to say? Do you? Let's see, I'm not breasting a pan. She said, who will you grant my Kumakuran?
As I said, me kidney in a hand, I shall just all your so man.
Papa, all
of this other
Kafra, no, got a Kafra, be a yasem. I tell you, we nasem. Huh? Hey, now, when young we wouldn't do a banana now. Come on, 2 years.
Blessina.
Station.
Blessina, I am the worst to say. Would you cut to me? Crackrages be a bomb because of your station. I feel a bit similar to the end of the baby. But you won't flow.
Make us a chop, Chasuna.
Who have you got on the love? I'm a Blessina. Madam, look out water, pure water.
And I can't forget it. Near Libya, I can't.
We do not go for the hour. There's a boy. Me share one we do not go for a small minute sumino. You need to say you got a magoto.
And I just had in a cantina because the away dear. Macabia and Tunchasu, Tunkwan until Wabajao. Oh. Kaka Sancrofobo. Yet Casabia untina and I don't say pim, my cabia tea.
Dancing, searching for job, searching for money, searching for love. Dear, who want to pay your dog? Upa go with some benefit. I'm going to make you so I said, me home, your fair, me what, me name of war. Nazabueno. I'm stop crying. And yes, no be enter. Me so good to say. That's who work from.
And yes, forget me. I'm quite damn sorry. Forget it.
No, me Jim from my dita. Me Jim from. Eka kram ya me kote.
Young I'm so fine so way.
Oh, me okay.
Huh?
Okay.
And they say we are over.
Boy, me seem you okay. Oh, we dey me flow. Boy, ya me flow. Why?
Me say na me say over 90 and I say,
boy, 2 weeks ni me adwuma. Ah. Yes, Johnson. Just the press me be na press wa something ka wodan kin kan so ye hwe wa yalsa wo o de o tena wo village na kokora ha be ko keti akwa ko she dukas because abrabo na pem
enya hwe makabia enya hwe Blessina tim kwa oho unya nkwa no nipa wo enya brokato ni nkrofo mo enya brokato ade a wuje cheche de so mo mbo bia hu se brokato achew
ana yanko je so afi itachi contract yanko je de ni silo so asa mbase se mi adwuma bia Blessina be ho se me di ho wura ana me ko prempi Jesus Christ of Nazareth
ana ko pra yi mom ampi de enye o pa ko diska duro ana be yes ka be
Bill. Okay, so now that we agreed to live together, when do you want us to get married, or when do you want me to do the needful?
Oh my God, babe, are you sure? Any moment from now, I'm ever ready. Like,
for real?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, then it's a good idea.
Yeah, babe, I'm ready. Like, oh my God.
Okay, come here. Okay, all right. So this is what we're gonna do. If I have to go and talk to your sister,
yeah,
for us to do some small thing, I'm trying to put things in place so that you know how to go about it.
Okay, babe. So when are we going to my sister's place?
Very soon. I'll give you the updates, okay?
Okay, babe.
Yes. Because baby, you know something? I want you to carry my children. I want you to be the mother of my children.
I have to.
Yes.
In this beautiful house with beautiful kids.
And maybe
a romantic husband.
And maybe I'm not sure we're even gonna stay here for long. After the marriage, I'll take you back to this estate. Yeah?
Babe, like I'm blushing.
Come on, don't be blushing, because you deserve it. You deserve every bit of it, okay? So don't worry, I got you covered, yeah?
Okay, babe.
Come here.
Oh, Lemena. Oh, I saw. But in a wee shroud, why I did. Oh, the baby, I know why you are. When you give me about something,
Wakamati. Wakasamati, you know, As I said in the kind of beginning, I came to Ghana for a purpose.
Sure.
And I have to make sure say I have fulfilled that purpose.
Sure.
That is why I was fighting hard to get here. And right now, I'll buy a medium. I thank God.
Yeah. They were very humble and sweet.
I know.
So we said, come on. Why we do so now you are smiling. You see,
Mr. Middleton, so say, now we can be babying and let me tease. We know the one of turning. Farmer.
Amen. Don't show so. Now you're a from once a man. What's it? Maybe be I come up. Sweetheart, do you have something to say?
Yeah, all I can say is thank you so much for standing in between for us. I mean, we wouldn't have gotten this far. So I want to say thank you.
You're welcome.
And thank you for taking care of your sister for me.
Thank you so much, my brother.
In-law.
Do you have something to say? Hey. Kaya, wait. But your baby will have a son.
Oh, I'm so good afternoon. Blessing. Sorry.
Wait. Kwame.
Blessing.
Hey.
Blessing.
Hey, what do you want? What if she has a me has a mitna? Ah, what's her no? Who friend Prestina say Prestina bra? No, only me hefa. Ah, me. Judge me no say. He's crazy.
Sister, I know where you are.
Judge me no.
How do you feel? Many money more. Let them above. Prestina blam. So the blam.
Now only me na. I buy kwa only more ya house.
Sorry, okay. A minute.
Blessing.
Master.
Blessing.
Hey. Blessing. Phone kwa me ka phone the top.
Blessing on friend party.
No on the top. They are.
Chairman.
Please relax. He's okay. He's having a mental problem.
Hey. Now, son out here. Gentlemen, are you okay for you?
So where are you from?
You too for what?
It will feel like to me what I said wrong.
Man. What is up? Oh, madam, that way. What's up, Mammy? Huh? What do we answer? What's up, Mammy? What's up? One woman, why is that you are from? He's here. Now, son out here. Son out here. Son out here. What is your problem?
I think he has a mental problem. This is how he behaves in the area. Stand up. Why are you doing this? You are disgracing me. Hey! Oh, I saw. Yeah, Kafra.
No, you don't have to entertain such people around you.
You see, they are in the neighbor, so when they come like this, you can't do anything serious with them.
Sometimes they can harm you.
Yeah, mental health patient is serious. And they relax, sit down.
Oh, maybe you know what? We have to go.
You have to go.
Yes.
No problem. You guys can go.
Yeah.
I'll see you tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay.
Then you have to be careful because what happened right here is not safe. Okay. Baby, let's go.
And I'm not for a while. I'm not going for him. How? Baby, I'm not for a boy. It's no more than that.
All right.
Take care.
Okay.
Yeah.
Kwame,
Sir.
how are you this afternoon?
I'm good and you, sir?
Kwame,
Yes, sir.
I'm so sorry.
Okay.
I didn't inform you, but I will be traveling. And I think I'm going to be back very soon. An emergency call Binaba. I should attend to Abuja.
Okay, sir.
Within the next 5 hours. It's a business meeting. So please,
Okay, sir.
please take very good care of my house for me. I don't know the duration, but I won't keep long. I trust you, Kwame. I trust you. But don't take advantage of my trust.
Okay, sir.
Don't take advantage of my trust.
Okay, sir.
Because I am very calm, but I am also very dangerous. So for my dogs,
okay, sir.
Note it. You should feed them twice in the morning and twice in the evening.
Okay, sir.
Mark my words. Even before you take your diet, it's very, very important. Okay. And then the pool side, you should be cleaning there regularly. Even here.
Okay, sir.
Twice in the morning, at least 4 times in the week. Okay,
sir. Okay, sir.
Take very good care.
Okay, sir. Let me.
Okay. I trust you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Kwame.
Sir, I'm coming, sir.
Oh my God. Hey, sis, I can't take it no more.
Why are you forcing me to talk harsh on you?
Take it easy.
I told you earlier, Kwame is my houseboy, and this is the 7th girl in my house telling me she is pregnant with Kwame. What's wrong with you? You just met someone outside, one by the fear for the first time, and you are coming to complain that you are pregnant with.
Hey,
I warned you about
Please,
this.
I didn't
I told you.
I'm your houseboy.
See,
Hey!
hey, you are putting me.
Can't think far.
You see,
Hey! Oh, Yehovah. I need another $100. Oh.
Take it easy. I think I should start jailing you people coming to my house, having sexual affairs in my house.
Hey.
And you are here crying. I don't know what you mean.
not knowing the house was not for
Hey!
money.
Like, how possible? How can I even take this?
I will take it.
How softly can you open your legs for
Leave
someone?
me alone.
You
You caused this.
I'm sorry.
It's because of you. I will. Take it easy. Calm down. Boss, so where can we find him?
I don't know. I just sacked him. He's no more. He's out of my contact. When Nyama was costing me, he sold my cars, and I didn't have any idea. Except Kwame, the so-called humble Kwame, who do this to me. 7th girl. I think I should expect 20 or more girls coming to my house complaining they are pregnant for Kwame.
Hey, boss. It's me, Bacho. This is a name.
Mechiari.
What's your name?
No, Machiano. Are you serious? Are you sober? Come here. Mechiari. So, mobile, some of the kick and pass. So much. Come here, you sober. Just take them out of my house. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, but that's so simple. 7 girl. Will you believe 7 girl coming to my house telling me when you call me name? I didn't know what baby I say. Mentias, you just saw somebody from nowhere. Just few weeks that I left. I can't understand. 7th girl, I should expect 20 or 30 girls coming to tell me they are pregnant for Kwame. Kwame killed me. Kwame, how? Coldness.